So we are at the Bangkok Thai Street Kitchen right here. I'm with Sabrina and yeah, we're on a lunch break, so we're just eating, chit-chatting and stuff like that. I'm pretty tired, but I'm super excited to go to the magic show tonight. I cannot wait. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. Alright guys, so we just finished watching the show. Amazing. Alright guys, sorry, got a little tense right there. But we just finished the show and amazing. Amazing. You guys have to go see it. It's so cool. Me and Richard were like, how did she do that? How did she do that? But it's pretty cool, so you guys need to go watch it. Alright guys, so we're here. We're going to eat our beef noodle soup. Richard got something different, so
pork chops.
He got pork chops this time. I'll tell you all about the show. It was great. It was amazing. But we were sitting next to some like weirdly obnoxious people, so I'll tell you a little bit more about that. And Richard got scratched. Alright guys, so I made it here. One of my good friends, Summer, is holding this brunch, and it's kind of like, you know, kind of like a social brunch kind of thing, marketing, networking. That was the word that I was looking for. Networking. I'm just waiting for my other friend Rose to be here. So yeah, it is Saturday. I took the day off from work. Thank goodness I did. But yes, I miss all my girls, Jessie, Sabrina, Ali. But I'm gonna be with Rose and Summer, so it's really, really cool. But yeah, you guys, after this, I am not sure. I definitely want to go to Prim. I want to go visit Prim, like the shops and stuff there. So hopefully we get to go, but I don't know. So we'll see. And I got my lucky Vans jumper, sweater. This is my lucky sweater, you guys. When I went back home to Australia, I left it there and I begged my mom to send it to me. So she was like, it's just a jumper. And I'm like, I know, but it's my lucky jumper. So, send it. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Right, so I am done with my brunch with my girlfriends. That was a lot of fun, you guys. The breakfast was delicious, or the brunch. The place that we went to, absolutely delicious. So right now me and Richard are gonna go and check out this discount store, but I don't know, it's very far away from where we are, so I don't know. I might tell him let's go to IKEA, you know. IKEA for me is like, I don't know, it's like a big no-no for me, because I swear to God, I go in there, I'm like, I'm only spending $20. Forget it. I spend like 80 bucks to 100 bucks, and I only get like small things, and I'm like, what the hell? I don't get it. Yeah, I had a lot of fun today with my friends. We ate, we talked, we laughed. Oh, it was a lot of fun. So I'm full. Rich is just putting petrol, like I said. Ozzy is sleeping. He already had his lunch, so he's pretty good. He's gonna sleep for the next like 3 hours. That boy loves to sleep. So I'm pretty tired myself. I had a good sleep though, but yeah, I've been pretty tired lately. I don't know, I feel like I'm not getting enough sleep, but you know, that's how life goes when you're working your ass off. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get to the place. In there too.
This is what we got there. We
that
got
little toys, yeah.
Little Megatron and Bumblebee.
That little bike is so cute. So this is how the layout would be. The kitchen here. Oh, the washer and dryer. That is a must. Oh, this is nice. It's a pretty good size. Look, and then it has the, yeah. I don't even mind if it's the bottom floor, to be honest. True. Like it's, the closet is pretty huge. It's a good size. The laundry for me is like a must. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Can you imagine carrying the king size? Oh, this is nice. Yes. Okay. This is nice. Yeah, the hot floor. It's pretty. It's really nice.
I'm guessing this is what you meant by the shape.
Yes.
Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Alright guys, so we just came back looking at one apartment that we really liked. I did take a video of this one because she did allow us to videotape it. The other one, she didn't have any tours, but we made an appointment for next Sunday. So yeah, we're kind of looking around right now. I know it's a little bit too early, but we're just looking around to see what's there, and there's so many new construction happening, so we want to just definitely have a lot of options when me and Richard are ready to sign a new lease to a different apartment. So we are getting out of downtown. We are getting out of the downtown area. We think that for the money that we're spending, we're not getting anything in return. But yeah, the area that we're at, it's super beautiful. It has everything around us. It's got grocery stores, it has petrol stations, it has Walmart, it has Sam's Club, and it's very close to the freeway to get like downtown. So it only took us about 15 minutes to get here from where we live, but I'm totally ready to get out, and so is Richard. So we're just looking, but this place is a huge thumbs up. Hey guys, so we just came back home. We just finished cooking, and Rich is just doing like the garnish right now. But I'm so excited. We literally, you know, our lease is up in October. We don't know what we're gonna do yet. We don't know, but we are definitely just keeping our options open, and we're just looking right now. Like, we're not gonna put anything into stone right now, but I promise you we are looking everywhere, you know, everywhere. We're looking out of town, we're looking out of state, we're looking everywhere. We're just keeping our options open and manifesting, you know. But yeah, it's so busy today at the art district. You could not even get a parking spot right now. It is super packed because of the markets in the alley, so that's why it's like super packed. But yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm just waiting for Richard to finish. Let's see. Every time he cuts onion, I try not to be there because they just irritate my eyes, just like everybody in the world. Yeah, of course, Goggies is right there, flat and center.